Okay, so obviously I thought I was talking for the longest while, and apparently I wasn't. Like I literally, okay, so my mic was muted, and I never even realized. Okay, so let's try that again from the top, right? So, in order to achieve what I just did, yeah, you would have had the intro that you've already recorded. You put it in your VLC media playlist or whatever. I mean, it doesn't have to be VLC, but I use that, so it's, you know, whatever playlist you have, you use that, right? So I'm dialing it back, right? So what you're seeing here is the video, right? I have done a smart selection of the exact portion I want to see. I don't want to see like the little white and gray area with the play button and all of that, because I don't want anybody to just be able to say, oh, yeah, use a VLC, you know. No, you know, the less you know, the better, right? Yeah. So then now, if I want to pull it back, yeah, and I can stop it, you know, whenever I feel like, right? And of course, if I had wanted to just have this show without, you know, being all up in the video like, you know, P Diddy and DJ Khaled, then all I'd have to do is click on my, you know, yeah, and I would just hide myself, right? Let's see if this thing actually works. Let me try and unhide that. Ah, there we go. Okay. All right. So this is going to be kind of awkward. So let's see. What do I need to show you in here? All right. Again, when you want to do smart selection, you click on that. You go to desktop capture. You do the smart selection, and then you go to the window that you want to use, and of course you draw the rectangle exactly around what it is that you want. So for example, in my case, let's say I wanted to show you that I'm using VLC. There are two ways I can do this. I can, you know, give you the entirety of VLC, right? So see it there, yeah. So now you can actually see all of the buttons and all of those things, right? Now, if I had wanted to decide on not showing that, what I can do again, let me, hold on. All right, no, okay, wow, that was kind of crazy. Let's go to, I need to see smart selection. It would be nice if I could see that. That would be great. Yes. So now, when I do smart selection, what I can do now is I will select only the portion that I want, right? I'm only going to select the portion I want. And here we go. Right? Notice the difference. Right? One, I have without all of the, you know, I don't have any other buttons in there, so it looks like a video that I made myself, right? Cool. This now is a dead giveaway, right? So you can make up your mind as to whether this is for if you really don't care, right? But if you do care, then you might want to show this, and not, you know, um, wait. Yeah, see, this thing is delayed. And I must apologize for that. Because I just tried to hide one of them and it just, yeah, it's taking a little while. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. Alright. Let me hide this one too. Let me hide that one. Yeah, this is taking longer than I wanted to. I swear, but yeah, but see? Anyway, but I'm not going to make much of it. I will not. I will not. So this I've used strictly for the purposes of showing exactly where we must go. So we click on add source, we go to desktop capture, we select smart selection. Give me a second. Hold on there. Because if another truck pass, I'm muting my mic. Oh, yeah. So yeah, there we go.